Friends, now a new chapter begins. It's time to welcome our inspired president, Prashant Mishra. A visionary leader who will steer our club to greater heights. Let's get to know a little more about him, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce my dear friend, inspired President Prashant Mishra. A perfect gentleman, suave and stylish, and a passionate Rotarian. He's a dreamer who has actualized many of his dreams in the past, and he also dreams big about his tenure as inspired president with many long-term and sustainable projects, and I'm sure they will all come true. Prashant is born in Mumbai, an engineer and a management graduate, managing his company, Syslic Technologies, since 1989, which deals on power systems, including renewables. He has been a Rotarian since 2016, but he is a very old hand at social organizations. He was a Lions president 30 years back in 95-96 of Lions Club of Lokhandwala. So he understands what giving is all about. So serving humanity absolutely runs in his genes. His pillar of strength at all times is Maya. His truly better half, who was a teacher and later HR and admin head in his company. He is blessed with two wonderful children, Shikha, who's an alumni of JJ School of Arts. Where is Shikha? Okay. And she works as a copywriter in an advertising company. And Rushabh, who supports Prashant in his company, and who also had a professional stint in Europe for a few years. Rushabh is also a Rotarian of Rotary Club of Bombay Kandivali for quite few years, for last 3 or 4 years. Prashant has many other passions like cycling. I bumped into him in a place you will never dream about, at Khardungla Pass in Ladakh, where he rode 900 kilometers there on those mountains. So those are his passions. He loves cycling, walking, and sometimes he tries to sing very desperately, but he sings. So friends, presenting to you my dear friend and inspired president, Prashant Mishra. Please. I now invite DG Manish and Vibrant President Mahendra Modi ji to please join on the stage for the installation of inspired President Prashant Mishra. Vandana and Jay, can you please assist us? I request Modi ji to please change over the collar first. प्रशांत, ये बहुत जिम्मेदारी की कॉलर है, गले का फंदा नहीं है. Request Modi ji to hand over the charter certificate. The gong and gavel, please. Sonu. Now, request DG to please give the very, very respectable pin of the president.
Friends, it's my proud privilege to hand over this inspired president's badge to our striker president, Prashant.
Yeah.
Prashant Mishra.
Thank you everyone.
Friends, again, my privilege to hand over the Inspired Club Secretary badge to Anubha Goyal, and
Wow.
I would request our Inspired Assistant Governor to kindly do the honors. Friends, I come from a profession which is medical, where emergencies keep coming in. I and Mehak were supposed to be here today together, and she has also chosen her sari for the day. But one emergency, and she's right now operating, and I'm here alone. But on behalf of Mehak, myself, my entire Inspired core team, I would like to hand over this token of love to this lovely couple and wishing them all the best for the incoming year. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone.
Friends, Bombay Kandivali is such a lovely club and such a resourceful club that we couldn't miss having any one of y'all or most of y'all in the district team. I have got the Inspired district team badges with me over here. I'm handing it over to the Inspired president to hand over to all the district team members from this club. Thank you so much for being a part of the Inspired district team, and it will be a pleasure to work with all of you all. Thank you so much.